Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a new chapter from mathematics, chapter name Simple Equation. Today we are going to discuss first part, constant. Constant, a quantity which takes a fixed numerical value is called as a constant. Constant means anything which take a fixed numerical value. Okay, observe this 4. This is a numerical value 4. 4 is a constant. This 9 is also constant, 11 is a constant, half is a constant. Means these are the numerical value. It's never changed its value. If I show that, what is this? This is 4. If I show that, how much? 5. Means anyone can say that these are 5 fingers. Means these are never change. This is called as a constant. Means value, those are never change, their numerical value that are constant. And variable, next part, variable. What is mean by the variable? It's the word variable means something that can vary or that is change. Means anything will be a change. Means some things are changed according to the person to person. Means anyone say that there are 5 people, anyone say that there are 20 people. It means if I say that how many students in your class, you can say that some students say that 5, some students say that 10, some students say that 50. Means these numbers are changes according to the person to person. Means if I ask to the how many people are present in your village, it's depend on a person. That person should say that 10,000, 5,000, 9,000. Means the person from the same village, but they are given a different answer. Means these numbers are changes according to the person to person. That is called as a variable. I hope you understand that part. Means those things which are things which are changes according to the person to person, that are called as a variable. Variable in algebra takes a different numerical value. Means that can take a different numerical value. I already explained that. Means if I say that how many people present in Mumbai, you can say that 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore. Means it's depend on the person. He can say that any value, and that value changes from person to person. This is called as a variable. I hope you understand this concept. Variable are usually denoted by the alphabet such as, means small letter x, small letter y, small letter z, small letter l, m, n, p. Okay, means variable can be represented by the small letter x, y, z and so on. Okay, suppose x is equal to, one student say that x is equal to 1, one of the students say that 2, one of the students say that 5, one of the students say that 100,000, and like that. Means the value of that x, it's changes according to the students to students or person to person. That is why x is a variable. Like that, same here, x z is also this text value 5, 7, 9. It's depend on students. Means if one of the students say that write to 15, one of the students say that 1000, like that you can change. Means it's depend on the students what value you want to take of that z. I hope you understand variable. Variable means the things which are changes according to person, or the word variable means the change. Means in algebra it's take a different numerical value. Means in algebraic in mathematics, it's changes according to or the values of that things will be a changes according to the mathematics. I hope you understand this part. Suppose in mathematics, the value of x, you can take any value. It's depend on the person. Anyone say that value of z is 9,000, anyone say that value of z is equal to 5,000. It's depend on the person. That is why its value of this z is never fixed, it changes. That is why it is called as a variable. I hope you understand this concept. Now we are moving toward the expression. This is very much important part. You must have to understand and keep in your mind. From a variable we form an expression, means using the variable we can form the expression. How we can form expression? The expressions are performed by the expression are performed by a performing operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on a variable. Means we have to perform some algebraic operation or mathematical operation. There are four mathematical operation. Everyone know that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That four operation we have to apply on a variable. See one more example, you can understand. This is 5x plus 3. If you observe, this is the 5 is a constant number and x is a variable. These two numbers are together, they are, and these two are different and they are together, they are joined together. There is a nothing between these two numbers. There is a no sign between these two numbers, means there is a one sign. Everyone know that if there is a no sign between a two numbers, there is, or two different things, there is, in mathematics there is a multiplication sign. Means 5 multiplied by x plus 3. This is an expression in which first we multiply the variable. Means here we are multiplying 5 with x, or multiplying the variable x by 5 and then add 3 to the product. Means this is the product, 5 multiplied by x, 5x. This is the product, 5x plus 3. Like that we can write 5y, means we are multiplying 5 to the y, and this is the product of 5y, and subtract 2. Like that 7z plus 9, 7z divided by 5. Like that you can write any expression. This is called as a expression. I hope you understand the part expression. Now we have to find the value of expression. This is very much important part. The value of an expression depend upon the value of variable. Means value of expression, it's depend on the value of variable. You can observe there are you can observe that there are so many expression here. Okay, let's take one example, 5x plus 3, and value of expression depend upon the value of variable from which we can expressions are formed. Now we have to find the 5x plus 3, and variable is x. Means value of expression depend on a variable. Suppose when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, means value of this variable x is 3. We have to put this value in a expression or equation. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 5x plus 3. Means we have to put the value of x in this equation. Now I am writing 5 instead of x. There is nothing between these two number, no sign. That is why I am writing this value of x in bracket 3 plus 3. Now there is a no sign between these two, means there is a one sign. Everyone know that there is a multiplication sign. Multiply these two number, 5 into 3 plus 3. Okay, find the value of this 5 into 3, 18 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21. Means whenever we put the value of x is equal to 3 in equation, our answer is 21. I hope you understand. Now same question, when x is equal to 0, means when x is equal to 0, we have to put this value in a equation, right? Put x is equal to 0 in equation 5x plus 3, means we have to put the value of x 0 in the given equation. Same procedure, follow the same procedure. 5 in bracket 0, means instead of that x we are writing 0 in bracket plus 3. Now there is a no sign between these two, 0 and 5. Write the multiplication sign, 5 into 0 plus 3. And everyone know that if we are multiplying any number with a 0, our answer must be a 0 plus 3, and 0 plus 3 answer is 3. I hope you understand this part. If you are getting any kind of problem or doubt in your mind, just call me. Have a nice day.